difficult when they just shut down and they're not talking and they're very disinterested. And I'm trying to post up and I'm being my vibrant self, and like the kiddo does not want to be there. But emotions are contagious. And if I reflect that on myself and I start to show that same disinterested through quote unquote avoiding eye contact, daydreaming, or disengagement, the patient will not start thinking, he doesn't want to be here with me. And we need to remember that a person that is in a suicidal crisis is looking for connection, and it's looking to be seen in these situations more than anything else. So when they're struggling with suicidality, a lot of us traditionally thought that, well, it comes and goes. You know, it's a point where you're suicidal and then it's not. And in reality, suicide can come, it can go, it can change all over the place. And we see it through a period in time. That person is living it every second of their